What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode of Breakdowns with Brian, we are going to be doing a quick video on just replacing the antenna. I replaced it probably 3 years ago with one of those little bullet antennas when they were in, but I didn't get good reception with it. It was a $20 one off Amazon. I don't know if the $40 or $50 one off of the actual websites that make them are going to be any better. I would hope that they're at least a little bit better. So I put it on, didn't have any reception on like 3 or 4 of my stations. Went ahead and replaced it with a 14-inch one. That made it pretty good. I've got one station now that I can get over by work and not by the house that I listen to. So I was okay with that. So this one here got broken just going through the car wash with the little things hitting it. If you've never changed it out, you might have some issues with getting this off. You might want to get some pliers, but definitely be careful trying to get this off. Most of the newer ones are going to have like a 2-piece here, and you're going to have the little carbon fiber thing go over it. This is going to screw into here, and then this piece here is going to screw into here. I would maybe get some kind of lube, maybe, or even like a grease to put in there. Like I said, when mine was really tough getting out, so I always put a little bit of lube in there. I have had this one on here for a little bit. I'll put a link in the description. I got this off Amazon, maybe $35. I think I went a little more expensive to see if more expensive means more better. But it comes with 3 of these pieces here, these little inserts. This piece here is a 1/8 inch Allen key, and that's what you're going to put in first. Now, like I said, I've already had this in here, so there's already a little bit of lube down in there. And I wouldn't do it too crazy tight, just in case something happens. I know those bullet ones, even the cheap ones, are known to be stolen. Which is ridiculous. This one here on the top piece, I would definitely throw some Loctite in, because I've had this one on for about 2 weeks now, and when I went to take it off to do the video, it was already loose. So I'm going to throw some on there. I believe this one is like a 7 or an 8-inch one. If you're going to use anything, use some blue. I mean, if you don't have blue, that's fine, but blue is the lesser evil of all of the other ones. Put it on there. As you can see, like, it's facing a good way here. So I think I'm just gonna tighten it with my hands, nothing crazy. It might be a little off since it's only off because of this. But like I said, it was still about the same as far as reception with the bigger one here. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description. If you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe. If you guys want to see anything else on my truck, just go to the page and watch anything you need. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Until next time, guys.